Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add amazing text inside Affinity Designer and Affinity Photo in less than 2 minutes. So let's jump into it right now. So first of all, you go right there, click Artistic Text Tool, then write basically anything, depends on your project obviously. In this case, I'm going to add mountain, for instance. And of course, just to put in the context, I'm going to add a shape so that you can learn how to do same thing with your shape. So I'm going to add star tool. So you see that there is two different color. Now you select the mountain tool and I recommend you to change the font to something bigger. In this case, I'm going to add something, let's say I like this one a lot better. Now get rid of the move tool, go to the hand because it's annoying, then go to the blend mode and then change it to anything in this section. That's fine, as long as it's disappeared, that's your objective. Now select the star tool or the shape that you put it, do exactly the same but something opposite. Obviously I'm gonna click darken because it's a white color shape. Now I'm going to click the mountain again, then going to the effects, move it on the side, go to the outer shadow, click tick. Now you already see that there is something going on right there, right? So that's a good news. Now you have to add intensity, so I'm gonna add as much as I can. Pretty easy. Now go to the offset, then add some offset. How cool is that? So you already have something amazing right now. Now you can add some radius to make it even bigger, like a bit more impactful, and you of course change it to something smoother, right? Now you already have done your job, you know what to do. In this case, I'm going to show you how to change the color. So in this case, you can change it to anything you like, depends on the wheel. Listen, I'm going to add something, let's say somewhat blue. That looks good. Now you can change the angle, depends on your project. You can bring it even in the middle so that you can see the word properly. Obviously it depends on your project. Now I'm going to make it even stronger and more impactful so that you can feel it, but not too much though. Make it look somewhat prettier and beautiful. Now same goes to offset, but something like that so that you can have a little bit of contrast in the edges. Now let's quickly move on to the star, which I am going to do the same. So we'll do exactly the same thing. Go to the effects, then go to outer shadow, click tick. Now add intensity, add some offset. Depends on, that depends on how much you want. There is no specific number and specific rule. As long as you're happy, you stop right before it become too much. Now radius, I'm gonna add somewhat 30 to 35. That looks very good too. Now it's already looking good enough. I'm gonna make the intensity a bit bigger and change the color to, let's say, red, somewhat pink. Pink looks good. That's it, huh? That's how you add amazing text and shape for your photo in Affinity Photo and Affinity Designer. So tools are the same. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe, and most importantly, share and save inside your playlist. Is very important if you want to come back and practice all over again. And thank you for your support, because remember, without your support, this channel doesn't exist. Thank you so much for your support. Bye bye.